So you guys remember when I tore down the greenhouse, the Harbor Freight, I told you I was going to build a new greenhouse with an attached shed. Well, here it is. So this is what I have been doing for the last month. I had to take about 10 days off because of all the wildfire smoke. It was just too thick and I couldn't really do anything in it. But for about a month, I've been working on this new greenhouse shed. And it's almost done. I have a little bit of trim to do. I've got a door to put on, a little bit more painting. I've got a door on the greenhouse to put on and the 2 doors on each end of the shed to do. And just some other little minor stuff. And so about a week it's going to take me probably to completely finish it up. Now, I did take videos along the way. Not of every little minute detail, but pretty much of all the construction and building and everything. But you got to remember, I'm not a professional carpenter or an engineer. So I may post the videos on how I did it. But, pretty much I just wanted to get this done to get... the cold weather's going to start soon, and I needed to get inside that greenhouse and put my plants in there. And so you'll see me in there a lot this winter. So I did take video along the way. So if you guys are interested, I might start posting the videos from like beginning to end, but it's like hours and hours of video that I took about building this thing. So I have to condense it down, but make it multiple parts. But anyways, that's what I've been doing. And so probably within the next few days, I should get it close to done. And then I'll be back to posting regular videos again. But this is where all of my time has been consumed, is working on this greenhouse shed. And also from the fact it's taking me so long because it's out of my head. I didn't have any plans that I drew up. I just made the ground flat and then just went from there. No papers or anything. I just started building. And so it kind of built itself as I went along. So that's why it took me a little bit longer. And every nail, every board was all just me, 100%. I didn't have any help at all. So that's why it's been taking me so long. And then, of course, I got that laziness thing going on where I work out here for 3 or 4 hours and it's like 95 degrees and I go inside and take a nap because I'm just exhausted from the heat. But it's been good. So I'll let you guys know when I'm done with it, and I'll start posting videos regularly again, probably within a few days. I should have it close to done. And I'll let you know then. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.